Assalamu alaikum students, be ready. Para. This is an application for restoration of the above appeal which was dismissed for default on 18 January 1984. Full stop. Mr. Qureshi, the learned counsel for the appellant, had left the son of the appellant as well as a chit with the reader to inform me of the fact that he was engaged before my brother Ali Nawaz Budani. Full stop. He did not make other arrangement for the above appeal because he expected the case before the other court to be over earlier, but that to meet all contingencies he had asked a representation to be made to me if the appeal, as he was not present before me and busy before the other bench. Full stop. In these circumstances, the learned counsel filed the above application for readmission of the appeal at its original number. Full stop. The application was supported by the affidavit of the appellant's son. Full stop. Para. The respondent filed counter affidavit and resisted the application. Full stop. Mr. Qureshi filed his own affidavit. Full stop. It is obvious that the absence of the learned counsel on 18 January 1984 was not intentional, and in the peculiar circumstances of the case there was sufficient cause for readmission of the appeal. Full stop. I would only point out that in dealing with applications of this kind, the court has to consider the position of the party concerned rather than the conduct of the members of the bar, though it may sometimes be difficult to dissociate the one from the other. Full stop. I am of the view that a litigant should not be deprived of hearing unless there has been something equivalent to misconduct or gross negligence on his part, or something which cannot be set right by his being ordered to pay costs, where the non-appearance is due to the default of the counsel engaged in the case, a similar consideration will mutatis mutandis be applicable, when the court has to decide whether there was sufficient cause for the non-appearance of the party or counsel. Full stop. It is difficult to lay down any general rules as to what will constitute inverted comma sufficient cause inverted comma for non-appearance by counsel engaged in a case. Full stop. Each case is to be decided on its own facts, and in matter like this there is no general rule of universal application which can be laid down. Full stop. I accept the application and restore the appeal at its original number. Full stop. Para. The appellant resisted the ejectment application. Full stop. It was averred in the written statement that since the inception of the tenancy the premises was one and did not consist of 5 shops and 1 godown. Full stop. It was averred that the respondent wanted to increase rent of the premises abnormally with a view to bring pressure of his intentions. He started avoiding rent. Full stop. The appellant suspected his intention and therefore sent the rent by money order and subsequently with the permission of the court, started depositing rent in court. Full stop. It is further averred that the respondent filed ejectment application number 15 by of 1973 on the grounds of default, unauthorized additions and alterations and personal bona fide use, full stop.